Weather Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for south of Cape Lookout, North Carolina to Surf City, North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles, south of Ocracoke Inlet, North Carolina to Cape Lookout, North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles, waters from Cape Lookout to Surf City, North Carolina from 20 to 40 nautical miles, waters from Ocracoke Inlet to Cape Lookout, North Carolina from 20 to 40 nautical miles, until 2 a.m. At 12:55 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Big 10 fathom to 14 nautical miles south of Artificial Reef 345, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include 14 buoy, northwest places, the Knuckle buoy, in Big 10 fathom. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.